Hi traders, today is 6th of November 2019. We are now live day trading crude oil market CLSEC 2019. So this is December contract 2019. So at this moment we did do double short sell position. So at the same price level of 56.84. So based on my live signal as well, have provided same entry. Both already hit the stop loss. Should have losses today of about minus 32 ticks, so another 16 ticks. We are from market. This one is not a good trade, so we didn't take it. Already hit the stop loss, so it's a loss trade. We did for a short position, but the market did reverse further up. So I'm still suggesting that the market might go for sideways move, maybe until the data release tonight, perhaps, if I'm not mistaken. So a big loss. There's no high volume. So now we just found one signal for US session, the trading setup, which is to go for a buy at 57.34, and this will be a quick TP at 57.50. Feels good so far. Any moment it will turn to a new candle. Yep. Okay, send out the signal already. So send out the signal as well for US session to go for buy at 57.34. Order already filled. Hopefully this one is a good one, because we have lost from the session just now. Okay, let's see. Still positive. This is our entry level, and the target is somewhere very far below, so it's very far high. As the order already filled, so let's wait for the TP price. It's not far. Should be around somewhere 26 or 18. That's good. I think it's tried to break through to the highest, the nearest high. Once a breakthrough, will go much more further to the upper side. The profit now is around that's good. So we already in the market with $100 US in profit. So let's key in our TP for 51 as promised to the sales team. So we have set our stop loss. Sorry, not stop loss. Take profit. So the take profit is at 57.51. So this is a scalping day trading US session. Alright, we resume back again. So based on our scalping US session, we hit the TP. So the signal just now is to go long on the position at sorry, this one is ES live signal. Okay, this is crude oil. So to go long at 57.34 and exit at 57.51 as a scalping US strategy setup. So we have filled order, managed to profit around plus 17 ticks USD 170 for US session scalping signal. So it was a quick one, done within 45 minutes, I guess. And this is the trade. And yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. So if you're interested, there's a link below in description, so you may follow the link to get the live signal from my Telegram channel. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.